Hello students, today we have multiplication. Multiplication means cross sign. As addition we have plus, subtraction. Now multiplication we have symbol of this one. So earlier you have done in class 2, find the product. Multiplication means 8 into 5 means 5 times 8 means 5 times 8. So you use the table of 8, 8 5s are. So it's very important to learn the tables. Tables, you learn by heart that tables. 8 5s are 8 into 5, 8 multiplied by 5. So what is 8 5s are? 40. So these two are factors and the answer is product. Once more, 5 4s means 5 times 4 like that. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 4s are 20. As you all know tables of 5, 5 4s are 20. Now another is product is given. Now fill in the missing numbers. Means product is given. One product is given. This one is product. This one is product. Means 5 into which number, that the answer will be 25. Now you take out the table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. So this is the way to take out the product. Now take out table of 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So again I am repeating, multiplication sign is this one, sign of multiplication. 8 into 5 is equal to 4, means 8 5s are 40. 40 is product, 8 and 5 these are factors. Hello students, now this is one more recap exercise. This is very simple. Fill in the blanks and write the product in the boxes. Means 4 into dash is equal to 3 into 4. This is your box. So what you have to do? You all know that this is sign of is equal to. Is equal to means whatever is written left side, that is equal to right side. Now just look at here. 4 is here. Which number is missing? 3. So 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4. Means 4 3s are, whatever is coming, that is 12 is equal to 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. Now again here 7 into dash is equal to 2 into 7. Now look at here, which number is missing? 2. Means this side is same. Now 2 7s are, you all know that the table of 2. 2 7s are 14. Now here 1 into dash is equal to 8 into 1. Now look at here, which number is missing? 8 is missing. Which number is missing? 8. So 8 1s are 8. You all know that. Again 6 into dash is equal to 6 into 2. Means 2 is missing. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So these are the product in the boxes. And look here carefully, left side and right side. Whatever the digit is missing, you just put it there, dash, and then you multiply the number. Look at here, find the product means multiply. 141 multiply by 4. This is sign of multiply. So 3-digit number multiply by 4. Now this is very important that learn tables. I put it here inside the cloud, means tables are very important for your multiplication. Now just read out the table. 4 1s are, means whatever here it is written, you have to count the table up to that. 4 1s are 4. Now 4 4s are, you know the table of 4? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Means when number is more than 9, 2 digit, you know the rule of carryover addition. 6 is here and 1 will be go to the next number. 4 ones are 4 and add this 1. That is 5. Again 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 means number in ones place you have to put here and 1 will fly to the next number. For 4 ones are 4 and 1, 5. Now look at here. We have 463 multiplied by 2. 2 threes are. 2 threes are, you know, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Then 2 countable up to 6. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. Again number is in 2 digit. So 12. 2 is here. 1 carry over. Clear? Now 2 fours are. 2 fours are 8. You all know that. 8 plus 1, that is 9. So one very important rule for multiplication is, first rule is to learn tables. Learn tables. Tables. Without learning tables, you are not able to do the sums of multiplication. Like here, we need the table of 4. Here, we need the table of 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 is here, 1 is here. 2 fours are 8 and 1 9. So it's very important for you to learn tables. Now again we have two sums of multiplication with large number and carryover. Now here 624 into 4 means table of 4 you need table of 4. You all know the table of 4. 4 fours are 16. When we have number in 2 digits, 6 here, 1 will be here. Now 4 twos are, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 and 1, 9. Now 4 6 are, 4 6 are, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24. So here we have 2 under 1000 place. The answer is 2496. Again we have here now 853 into 5. You all know the table of 5. Now count it. 5 threes are. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 here and 1 here. Now 5 fives are 25. You all know that. Count the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. And here you have 1 means 26. Now 6 is here and 2 carry over. Now 5 eights are. Now count the table of 5. 5 eights are 40 plus 2. 42. So this number is under 1000. Answer is 4265. Whenever we have large numbers like that, then the number in the 1000 place you write under 1000 place. So 4 fours are 16, 6 is here, 1 here. 4 twos are 8 and 1 9. 4 6 are 24. So 9, there is no carryover. Simple 9 is here, 24. Again 5 threes are 15. 5 carry 1. 5 fives are 25 and 1 26. Carry 2. Now 5 eights are 40 and 2 42. So the answer is 4265. 4 digit number 2496. Let's look at here. Multiply the digit by 0, 1, 10 and 100. Now it is very simple. Multiply by 0. Whenever we multiply any digit with 0 by 0, the answer will be 0. You all know that 0 is no digit. So 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 100 multiply by 0, 0. 98 multiply by 0, answer is 0. 7 multiply by 0, answer is 0. 346 multiply by 0, answer is 0. 3478 multiply by 0, answer is 0. So it is very simple and very clear that whatever the digit is, answer is always 0. If you are multiplying by 0, the answer is 0. Now look at here, multiply by 1. Any number multiply by 1, the number itself, same number itself. So look at here again, 5 into 1, 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 100 multiplied by 1, 100. 98 multiplied by 1, 98. 7 multiplied by 1, 7. 346 multiplied by 1, same number. 3478 multiplied by 1, 3478. So now clear, multiply by 0, answer is 0. Multiply by 1, the answer is the number itself. 5, 5, 100, 100, 98, 98, 7, 7. So always remember this, multiply by 0, answer is 0. Multiply by 1, the answer is the number itself. Now multiply the digit by 10. You know the table of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Means 10 ones are 10. I have written here like that, but you have table like this. But I have written like that. So you just see the pattern. 2 multiply by 10. 3 multiply by 10. Now look at here that this is very simple. 0 you shift here in the left side and multiply the number with 1. That will be same. So it is very simple. 33 into 10. 0 you shift here. Then again 1 into 33. That is 33. Means you have to take this in your mind. Whatever the digit you are multiplying by 10 means 0 in the left side here, here and the same number. Same number. 52 multiplied by 10, 520. Now look at here, very important. Whenever you have two zeros, then 1, 2. Put it here, 2 zeros, then 12 ones are 12. Now here we have 1, 0. 0, the number same. Here we have 2 zeros, like that. Here we have how many zeros? 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1. That is 1000. So look at the pattern. Whenever we have multiplied by 10, means you put here we have 1 0. So you put here 1 0. The number will be remain same. 52 into 10, 1 0. The number will be remain same. Here we have 1, 2, 2 zeros. Put here 2 zeros. The number will be remain same. Again 0, 96. Again 1, 2, 2 zeros. 1 ones are 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. Then 1000. So this is very simple. Put the 0 and the other digit will be same. Now look at here. Same pattern is with multiply by 100. Means 2 digit you shift here and number will be same. 15 into 100, 1500. Again 32 multiply by 100. 2 digit here, 32. 3200 means 3200. 56 multiply by 100. 2 digit here, 56. 1 into 1. 5600. Now 143 multiply by 100. 2 digit here and same number will be here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 14,300. Again 10 into 100 means now 1, 2, 3. How many digits you have to take? 3. So 1,000. Again 100 into 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So it's very clear, whenever you have multiply by 100, take 2 zeros here and number same. Whenever we have both sides 0, then count the zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 1 into 1. Like that.